Okay, let us see 10th week, third question. How to create the isometric view of this diagram in AutoCAD. Move on to AutoCAD. First, you ensure that 2D mode as well as iso plane icon switched on and ortho switched on. Okay. Now go to line and let us have a look of the question. I am starting from this point. First you draw this L shape. Okay, this is 100. This dovetail later we will draw. First you draw the entire length 100, 20. This is 70, 60 minus 20. Likewise, this diagram you draw first. Thereafter we will continue further. Line 100, enter, above 20, enter, then here 70, enter, above 60 minus 20 will give you 40, enter, here 30, enter, and complete this. Okay, then take line, draw this. You want to draw in this way, so isoplane switch off, switch on, F5, 50, enter, downward we need isoplane switch on, 20, enter, and here you complete. Okay, now again here isoplane F5, you draw a straight line, again you select line isoplane, you draw here and trim the unwanted portions. Okay, again line, draw straight line isoplane F5, again you draw line, parallel lines at the corners. From here isoplane F5, you draw straight line and trim unwanted portions. You complete the diagram, required base shape. Okay, thereafter we have to draw one by one. See this dovetail as well as this rib. Okay, one by one. First we will go for dovetail. It is from the middle. See that the diagram, it is 100, this is 50. Here we need to draw a line with the angle of 45 degrees. This appearance 45, but you have to draw this line is already 30 degree. This remaining 15 only we have to draw, so that from here 15 degree line we have to draw. Here the same line afterwards we will mirror it. Okay, we will get this. Let us draw from 50 mm point, middle of the base line. We need to draw 15 degree line. Select line, you select from the middle. Okay, you go for this angular line, you go to 15 increment line, 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. If it is enabled, you can draw that much incremental line. Okay, angle. This is 15. See this. Okay, 90 degree, this is 90 plus 15, then it will be 105. Okay, at the 105 degree it will show the green color tracking, that you draw, click. and then you copy the bottom line above. What is the height given in that diagram? 10 mm. Okay, 10 mm above. Okay, it is copied. Then trim it. Trim the unwanted portions. Okay. Similar way from here, we'll draw 15 like this. Okay, 15-degree line, and move it. Switch on ortho and move it from this corner. How much it should be? 20 mm. 20, enter. Okay, and trim the unwanted portions. Okay, trim this also. You can see that it is drawn. Second thing, this wedge, this rib, a triangular shape, right angle triangle, you draw from this corner or this corner. Later we will move to this position. Okay, 10, 50 minus 10, this portion is 20. Okay, 50 minus 10 will gives you 40, 20, 20. Okay, first you can draw this triangle, this corner. Okay, take line, start from here, switch off ortho and join here, draw the line along with the corners, and then let us move it. 1, 2, 3, enter, and this corner as a base point, move it, switch on ortho and F5, isoplane. We are going to move this way, so that I switched on the isoplane. F5, 20, 20. Okay, thereafter copy this triangle, same triangle, from here 10 mm. Okay, then trim the unwanted portions. Whatever it is not visible, those lines you have to trim carefully. Okay, done. Then finally the top circle. In isometric view, circles will be visible as a ellipse, so that with ellipse icon we will draw this circle. This circle radius, make a note of this, this circle radius will be 15. Okay, let us draw that, the top surface. You go to take ellipse, second option, axis end. Okay, you click the center mark here. Before clicking, you go for select the iso circle. I forgot to select. You select the icon again, axis and end. You select the iso circle, isometric drawing circle. Okay, so that don't forget to select this, and then go for center selection. Okay, now it will be like this. If it is like this, you can go for isoplane, change the isoplane. Okay, F5. Now if a suitable surface, if it comes, you stop, and then you type the radius of the circle, as we know, 15. It is done. Trim. Okay, one more thing, that line should be vertical line, that edge should be visible downward. Isoplane F5, you draw a line until it cuts the ellipse and trim unwanted. Okay, and now dimensions. Annotate dimension. First you give the dimension, normal dimension, then you go for align it. From here to here, I will give some of the dimension. You go for all the dimensions. Okay, accordingly. angular also I will give from here to here. mm. One more line we forget to draw, this line. Trim. Okay, and then align the dimension, or go to annotate this dimension, open the dimension oblique, this is oblique. Okay, select this dimension, enter, and angle this, align with this line, so that it is 150. Okay, because this surface, this line is 150, this dimension align with that. To the horizontal it is 150. Okay, make a note. Oblique again, select this dimension, enter, angle, this is 30, this line, this surface is 30, so that 30 it is aligned. Similar way, this dimension oblique, select the dimension, enter, this is 150. Okay, 150, it is aligned. Similar way, oblique, dimension, selection, enter, angle, this is 30. Okay, that's it. Thank you.